So over here, you can see that if I were to go to inbox or inbox of another email right here, you can see the title of the emails. And apart from that, you see the contents of the email as well. And for privacy reasons, you may not want them to be shown as well. So if you, that is what you want, then you can actually go around onto messages over here and then go to message previews and then hide the preview text. Once you do that, you only see the title of the person and the subject and not the email conversation. You don't see the text within the email right here. But you can turn it back on again by going into messages and by going into message previews and by clicking on show preview text, and you can see the conversation text just like this. So that is how you can turn message preview on or off inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.